Hi, I'm K. Prakash. Today we are going to discuss a topic on case study on comparison of solar collectors. Before going to the topic, let us discuss about the solar energy utilization. So what is meant by solar energy utilization? So in the word itself we can know that the energy from the sun is called as solar energy, and this solar energy is utilized. So we will have a small discussion why we are going for solar energy. What is the need to go for solar energy? So energy may be classified as renewable and non-renewable energy resources. So in the renewable resources, we can classify solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy are some of the examples. Whereas in the non-renewable energy resources, we are going for fossil fuels like coal, petroleum products, or are the examples for non-renewable. So what is the difference in these two, and why we are opting solar energy utilization? So the fossil fuels, due to the increase in the population, the energy usage is becoming more and more nowadays. So the depletion of the fossil fuels is becoming nowadays more and more, and the fossil fuels are creating more pollution in the environment. So this leads hazardous to our mankind and the earth. Because of these reasons, we are opting for renewable energy sources. So this finding the problems or the existing issues faced by the peoples or by the environment is called as the empathy part in the design thinking process. So how to solve this process? So to solve this process, we are going for the solar energy utilization, as this is the energy which is free of cost, available and abundant in nature, and then it is no more pollution. So now let us discuss a solar collector. You can see in this solar collector, you can see from this picture, it is a collector where the solar radiation is observed, and this solar radiation is used to heat the water. So this is a small solar collector where we are using in our home for our domestic purpose for heating the water. So here in the solar collectors, what we are doing is the water is passed in the copper tubes. Above the copper tube there is a glazing material where the solar radiation is falling on the glazing material, so that what happens is the water is getting heated. So here the maximum temperature is obtained from 90 to 150 degree the range, but we are obtaining the temperature of 90 degree in this solar collectors. Now, so what are the issues faced in these solar collectors, or what are the problems? So if we want to increase the efficiency of the solar collectors, what we have to do? So what is the way? How to increase the efficiency? Why the efficiency decreasing solar collector? There are many reasons. So one of the main reasons is in solar collector, the solar collector is installed in a fixed position. So to overcome this, we are going for the non-concentrating collectors. So what is the need for the non-concentrating collectors? So in the non-concentrating collectors, we are going the drawbacks of these concentrating collectors in this. So here in this, the concentrating collectors, the collector area is same as the observer area. So here in the non-concentrating collectors, diffused and beam radiations are there. It cannot be collected. So to overcome these reasons, we are going for concentrating collectors. So this is the use of a concentrating collector, where the most amount of the solar radiation is observed and it can be trapped to heat the water. So here the concentration area is becoming lesser, as the solar radiation observed is pointed towards the particular receiver area. Here why we are going for this solar collectors is the increase in the efficiency can be made the water to be used for industrial purpose. The temperature is more than 200 to 250 degrees Celsius. So this is the way by which the temperature of the hot water or the industrial heat water treatment plants are using these type of collectors for their heating purpose of water. So in this concentrated collector, another advantage is that here both the beam radiation and the diffuse radiations are used. Thank you.